welcome back to my channel. It's just Clarice, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this full glam New Year's Eve makeup look. Without any further ado, let's just dive on into today's video. First, I do my brows, and I use my Kiss New York Professional Top Brow Fine Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brunette. To prime my eyelids, I go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. I take my e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky on a fluffy brush all over the eyes. Next up is the ColourPop Single Made to Last, which I take on a blending brush and run through my crease. Using my CoverGirl True Naked Sunsets palette, which I love by the way, I grab that deep magenta shade and start building up that color in my outer corner. These shades are super pigmented but really soft, so it's easy to build it up to your desired depth. Dipping into the pink shimmer next to the magenta shade, I take that on a fluffy flat brush and I start to run that over my eye, starting from the outer corner and moving my way in. Next, I take my ColourPop shade Come and Get It, which is a duochrome rose gold, and I pop that onto my eye, starting from the inner corner, moving out. That's all we can do for the eyes for now, so it's time to move on to the face. For foundation today, I've gone in with my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in the shade Medium Neutral 3, and I've blended it out using my EcoTools Beauty Sponge. The great thing about this foundation is that it's very buildable without looking cakey, so you can put a few strokes down and blend it out wherever you need extra coverage. I use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover up the dark spots underneath my eyes, just applying a few small strokes and then blending out using my smaller EcoTools sponge. Using my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, I focus this in my T-zone and just under my eyes to brighten up the center of my face, and then I blend out. Now it's time to contour, and I do this using my Milani Contour and Highlight Cream and Liquid Duo Stick in Medium Dark. This is to de-emphasize my forehead while also creating more definition in my jawline and cheekbones. I use more of a patting motion to blend the product in so that it doesn't completely disappear. Next, we have to set everything in place, and first I grab my Bella PA Illuminating Banana Powder and focus that under my eyes and in my T-zone to keep those areas nice and bright. I focus my Ben Nye Banana Powder around the outside of my face because it's a little more mattifying and deeper in color. We're all powdered up now and feeling smooth, but to allow that powder to sink in a little more, I'm going to grab my Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist Spray. It smells amazing. Now while that dries off, I'm going to quickly go in and finish my under eyes. Using a clean blending brush, I buff around the edges to clean up the look. Then I take this matte peachy shade from the CoverGirl palette, and on a fluffy brush, I apply it to my brow bone to highlight the area. Then I grab that gorgeous pink illuminating shade, and I focus this in my inner corner to give it a bright pop. For lashes today, I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. First I curl my lashes, and then I apply a few coats, and they end up looking super voluminous and lengthened. We're ready now to finish up the rest of the face. For bronzer, I grab my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed, as it gives me a nice amount of color and a really subtle glow. Back again with the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky, a really nice soft rosy shade with a subtle glow. I apply it using a stippling brush to give me just a wash of color to the cheeks. Using the ColourPop Inudendo Highlighting Palette, I grab the pinky highlighting shade Fine Line and apply it to the tops of my cheekbones as well as to my forehead. I brush a little of that same highlight color on the tip of my nose, along the bridge, and onto my cupid's bow. For lips today, I'm going to use the MAC Amplified Cream Lipstick in the shade My Inner Femme, a gorgeous bright red shade. It's the perfect color to finish off today's look. I actually just got this lipstick for Christmas from my aunt, and I love it already. Well, there you go. That is it. That is how I got this look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what are your New Year's Eve plans in the comments down below. I'm actually planning on having a pretty chill New Year's Eve myself. If you want to see more stuff from me, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post brand new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and yes, I know I didn't post a Christmas singing video on Tuesday, but I really overestimated how much time I was going to have to film and edit and upload during the Christmas holiday season. There was just so much stuff going on with family and friends that it just kind of got away from me. So sorry about that, but if you have any suggestions for songs that I could sing to kind of make it up, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!